What does home mean to you? Is it the place where memories are made, where a great story begins, or where friends belong and good times occur? Is it the place you long to get back to? Your sanctuary from the crazy day. Coaster has created 4 exclusive furniture brands that enable you to fashion every room to your taste and style. Coaster Everyday combines style and value, giving those who want to create more enjoyable spaces access to quality home furnishings. Coaster Essence offers a wide line of high-quality, sophisticated furnishings that provide timeless beauty for those looking for more comfort and style. Coaster Elevations is a special collection of premium home furnishings crafted for those who look to create beautiful and elegant casual living spaces. And now Coaster Sleep has arrived, offering comfort, support, and tremendous value. For nearly 4 decades, Coaster has imagined, crafted, and distributed stylish furniture for people in every season in life. Furniture that adds charm to any room. Coaster has the furnishings to enhance your lifestyle, making every place home.
Signature design by Ashley. Brymont Mid-Century Modern 6-Drawer Dresser. With clean lines evoking a true mid-century spirit, this dresser creates a sense of modern harmony in your room. Made of engineered wood with replicated walnut grain texture with a warm gray finish. Burnished gold tone pulls add an authentically modern touch to this dresser.